In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. First, the main thing to understand is that Shopify allows one login to manage access to multiple stores, but each store is still its own separate Shopify store. That means each one can have its own products, theme, apps, domains, billing setup, and staff permissions. If you already have a Shopify account, sign in and check whether your setup includes access to more than one store or an organization area. Shopify uses organizations for accounts that manage multiple stores under one main login, which makes switching between stores much easier. If you're creating a second store, the process is not exactly like adding a second page to the same store. You're actually creating another separate Shopify store. That means the new store starts with its own dashboard, settings, and subscription. Once the additional store is created, you can usually access both stores using the same email address and then switch between them inside your account. This is useful if you run different brands, separate stores for different countries, or multiple businesses with different products. But keep in mind, even if you use one login, each store usually has its own billing plan unless you're on a special setup or enterprise structure. So creating more stores often means managing more than one subscription as well. After setting up the extra store, organize things clearly. Use store names that are easy to recognize, double-check the domains, and make sure staff members only have access to the correct store. This becomes especially important if you work with a team or manage client stores. So the key point is this. One Shopify account can access multiple stores, but each store remains a separate environment with its own settings and costs. That's how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.